In a quiet jungle lived a wolf. Everyone feared him because he looked dangerous. The little rabbit always ran away when he saw the wolf. One day, a hunter entered the jungle. He saw the rabbit and aimed his bow. The rabbit did not see the danger, but the wolf did. Instead of attacking the rabbit, the wolf stepped forward. He stood bravely between the hunter and the rabbit. He growled loudly. The hunter became afraid and slowly walked away. The rabbit was shocked. The wolf had saved his life. From that day on, the jungle learned a lesson: never judge someone by their appearance. Sometimes the one you fear the most is your true protector.